Hello friends, now according to this expression, here is the step-by-step solution for the mathematical expression using by the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for O, we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to the BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the first step, simplify the orders, roots and parts. Find the square root of first root 169 which is 13, and now calculate the exponent which is 3 square is equals to 9 and 4 cube which is equals to 64, and now the new expression becomes 13 multiplied by 9 plus 64 minus 50. Now move to the second step, perform multiplication. Now first we multiply the digits, so 13 multiplied by 9, we can use Vedic math trick. 9 3s are 27 and 9 1s are 9. Ones place should be right as it is, 2 should be add to 9 is 11, and now the new expression becomes 117 plus 64 minus 50. So now move to the third step, perform addition. Now we add the values which is 117 plus 64 is equals to 181, and now the new expression becomes 181 minus 50. Now perform subtraction. 181 minus 50 is equals to 131 which is the last operation. So 131 is the final result. Now according to this expression, by using the BODMAS systematically, the final value of the expression is 131, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.